Congrats! Your new CIBC credit card has arrived. Let's activate your card to get you started. In today's fast-paced world, we know you're busy and always on the go. CIBC's Activate Card feature is now available in CIBC Online and mobile banking, so you can activate your new card anytime, anywhere, in 3 easy steps. To get started, log in to CIBC Online or mobile banking. Next, select the Activate Card feature from the main menu in your mobile banking app or from the My Accounts page in online banking. Simply enter your card number, expiry date, and the 3-digit card verification value on the back of your card, and then click Activate Card. A pop-up will confirm that the card is successfully activated. If this is a new account or your card details have changed, remember to provide your new card details to merchants who need it for pre-authorized payments. That's it! Your new credit card is now activated and you're now all set to start using it. For more information about this and other CIBC credit card features, please visit CIBC.com.